let me in. We only have each other, it's just you and me. What are we gonna do?
Do you wanna build a snowman? Or going off to be a snowman? Rihanna. Okay.
Hi, I'm Olaf and I like warm hugs. I love it even more.
Dashing through the snow, in a one-horse open sleigh, and all the fields we go, laughing all the way. It's all about daring, it's only making spirits rise. What fun it is to ride and sing the sleighing song tonight.
Funny floor. Funny floor.
Christmas is all about? Sure, Charlie Brown, I can tell you what Christmas is all about. And there were in the same country shepherds, abiding in the field, keeping watch over their flock by night. And lo, the angel of the Lord came upon them. The glory of the Lord shone round about them. And they were sore afraid. And the angel said unto them, Fear not, for behold, I bring you tidings of great joy, which shall be to all people. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. And this shall be a sign unto you. Ye shall find the babe wrapped in swaddling clothes, lying in a manger. Christmas is when I get presents from Santa. Happy presents. Christmas is when Santa Claus comes. The trees and the lights. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Deck the halls with boughs of orange. La, 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 la.
My favorite thing about Christmas is to give presents because it makes me feel good inside. I can't stop myself from laughing. It's where we celebrate Jesus' birth. He makes it Christmas time. Jesus was born in a manger.
Okay, people, tomorrow morning